Today, we are making a simple and sweet vegetable stock to keep and for easy use for vegetarian soup. The ingredients needed are 250 grams of yam, 280 grams of potato, 150 grams of yellow onions, 125 grams of carrots, 200 grams of sweet potato, 180 grams of cabbage, 130 grams of leeks, 45 grams of garlic, 1 lime, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and 4 liters of water. Start with cutting all of this vegetable. I will remove the skins and cut them into small pieces. Alright, these are the vegetables that I have prepared. Potatoes, yam cut into slices, cabbage cut into half, and the leek. This is the lime juice, squeezed from 1 lime. Place all of the vegetable in the soup pot. Add in all of the salt and all of the pepper. Put it over the stove. Switch on the heat. Add in 4 liters of water. And all of the lime juice. We are not going to stir it at all from the beginning to the ends of cooking. Sweet potato and yam tend to darken the water when boiling it. Adding in the lime juice will neutralize the sweet potato and the yam color, ensuring that we will get a clear vegetable stock. Cover the lid and bring it to a rolling boil. This will take around 20 minutes. After about 24 minutes, the stock is boiling vigorously and the soup is quite clear. Reduce the heat to low and continue to boil for 2 hours. See, the stock have been boiling for almost 2 hours and we didn't stir it at all. 1 more minute to go. Alright, time is up. Let's check on the stock. Wow, the stock is very clear and must be very sweet. Cover the lid and allow it to cool before transferring it to a container to keep it. Pour it over the strainer and strain out the pieces of vegetables. We will collect only the liquid stock. The vegetables here have no more taste and they have become really soft after cooking for a long time. They make a great fertilizer, so I would normally give it to my plants. Alright, the super clear vegetable stock is ready. This can be used to cook vegetarian dishes, noodles or other dishes. It can be kept for 2 to 3 days in the fridge or a couple of weeks in the freezer. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified on the next simple home cooked recipe. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.